In this hyper-realistic image, inspired by Sumatrism's captivating work, we are transported to the shoreline of a saltwater mountain lake in a lush tropical paradise. The lake is surrounded by twisted trees and gnarled roots, creating a spooky forest during the golden hour. In the background, the stunning saltwater mountain lake, fed by a saltwater mountain river, captivates our gaze. The ecosystem teems with life, boasting colorful fish, vibrant coral, and lush water vegetation. Graceful mermaid goddesses add an ethereal charm to the scene. The shoreline is adorned with Japanese cherry trees, delicate pink flowers adorning their branches. Colorful wildflowers and tall green grass dot the landscape, painting a picturesque setting. Towering green pine trees dominate the landscape, their lofty peaks capped with glistening snow and ice, creating a breathtaking spectacle that combines the contrasting elements of the tropical paradise and wintry mountaintops. This hyperrealistic image, captured with unparalleled detail, showcases the interconnectivity of the plants and animals within this ecosystem. The balance of nature is masterfully depicted, reminding us of the delicate web of life. The deep blue water of the saltwater mountain lake, the vivid hues of the fish and coral, and the enchanting beauty of the mermaid goddesses create a mesmerizing tableau. The twisted trees and gnarled roots infuse the scene with mystery, while the warm golden hour lighting bathes everything in a captivating glow. As we immerse ourselves in this image, we are reminded of the profound beauty and interconnectedness of life forms in and around the saltwater mountain lake and river. To ensure a successful microphoto, it is essential to capture the intricate details of this hyper-realistic image. We recommend using a state-of-the-art DSLR camera equipped with a 200 nm microtelephoto lens. Shooting during the golden hour will provide optimal lighting conditions, accentuating the features of the landscape and bringing out the vibrant colors. Advanced techniques such as long exposure and a slow shutter speed of 160, along with an aperture of f8 and appropriate white balance, should be employed to capture the intricate details and ensure the best quality image. During post-processing, techniques like denoising, sharpening, Technicolor grading, and HDR imaging can be applied to further enhance the details while minimizing data loss. Now let's explore the medical procedures required for humans to service in this awe-inspiring environment. Respiratory system adaptations. Humans would require respiratory adaptations to ensure proper oxygen intake in the potentially unique atmospheric conditions of the tropical paradise. Advanced breathing apparatus or modifications to lung capacity and efficiency would be necessary to maintain optimal respiratory function. Visual enhancements. Given the complexity and richness of the environment, humans would benefit from visual enhancements to navigate and appreciate their surroundings. Augmented reality, AR, or heads-up display, HUD technologies could provide real-time information and assist with visual perception in the mystical forest and tropical paradise. Protective gear. Specialized protective gear would be essential to ensure safety in the presence of potentially hazardous elements such as twisted trees, gnarled roots, and diverse wildlife. Heat-resistant clothing, gloves, goggles, and footwear designed to protect against bites, stings, or injuries from natural obstacles would be required. Temperature regulation. The tropical paradise and mountainous regions may have varying temperature zones, necessitating advanced temperature regulation mechanisms for humans. Clothing with thermal insulation, adaptive fabrics capable of adjusting to different environmental conditions, and integrated cooling or heating systems would be necessary to maintain comfort and prevent overheating or hypothermia. Communication systems. Effective communication within the mystical forest and tropical paradise would be crucial. Advanced communication devices capable of transmitting signals through complex electromagnetic fields and natural barriers would be required, taking inspiration from Star Trek-level technology. These devices should be resistant to interference and enable seamless communication with team members or external support. First aid and medical support. In case of injuries or medical emergencies, comprehensive first aid kits and medical support systems should be readily available. These kits should be equipped with specialized tools and treatments tailored to the unique challenges of the environment, such as bites, stings, or injuries from twisted trees or wildlife encounters. Please note that the medical procedures described above are speculative and based on the fictional context of the scene. They should be approached with caution and consideration for ethical and practical implications,